What? HDB in Boon Tiong Road for more than 1 million? Lucky you, I have a top floor unit here that has this $1 million unblocked view from the balcony and all the bedrooms. You don't need $1 million to buy this. Hi, my name is Singi from Singapore Urban Spaces and this is the latest episode of Home Showcase. Today I'm going to bring you to Belvia, the only DBSS in Bedok Reservoir. Walk into this 4-room DBSS top floor unit and you will think it's a developer show flat. It has an industrial themed renovation and an unusually high ceiling that's available only for a top floor unit. The house is so well kept, literally all you need to do is to move in with your luggage. Looking for a unit with the following? Bar top counter? Check. Al fresco dining with this $1 million view? Check. Romantic setting with a piano in the living room? Check. What you see is what you get, except for this piano of course. Seller took great care to renovate this house. Other than this grade A renovation, you get smart space-saving ideas. So if you need more space in this room, all you need to do is push this bed up. So if you like what you see, give me a call at this number 96380255 for an exclusive viewing today. Quickly, before it gets sold out.